This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 415G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Awning, Skylight, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, oven, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, slide-out, LP detector, auxiliary battery, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 415G is 15,310 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.